Alright, hello guys, my name is Max from SwissTrading.com and I'm going to be your mentor today, just to show you some simple stuff that you need to know and understand how to deal with in the markets before you get out and trade. So the first thing we're going to talk about today is support and resistance levels. And this is a really important thing that you need to understand before you get out and trade so you don't lose money, because this is what is what people are looking at when trading. So, um, we are using the example stock today, just Tesla, to show you guys. I think it's a nice stock, pretty volatile, um, impressive, and yeah, fun to follow. So I've taken this stock right here. So I'm going to show you. So firstly, what is support and resistance? All right. So what is resistance? All right, I'm going to show you right now. So as we can see in Tesla, it went up, 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 up in a really nice bullish run. We hit 200 USD, and at this level, many people at the same time thought that they wanted to lock in their profits. They wanted to sell off. They wanted to take out their profits. And what happens when many of them do that at the same time? Or people just like banks or stuff with high volume sells at the same time. Yes, when people are selling in huge volumes or many at the same time, it goes down and it makes a drastic movement in the market. So right here, many people are selling because they wanted to take out their profits. What happens? Yes, it goes downwards, 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 just continues down, and then we can hit a new low right here on 326 USD. And why does it stay here? That's a nice question. I'm going to answer it right now. That's simply the market. Uh, when people are thinking, yeah, this price is nice, I wanted to buy now, and most of them are thinking that, like in nice volume, then we get a bounce. So here, like maybe banks or stuff like that in huge volumes bought. So what happens? Yeah, we get an up bounce and small impulse up, and then we get a new. Um, People think right here um, that it's expensive, so they sell off again. Then we go down. Then here we have a new support, if you understand, support level, because it goes down and then the buyers come in. So support is when the buyers is coming in, and resistance is when the sellers is coming in. I hope you understand. Um, if you don't understand, just paste a comment down below, or you can visit our website and just contact me and I will help you out. So it goes down here. We get a new support zone. Then the buyers come in again. We get a new impulse, really nice impulse, up to 455. And here we get a new resistance. And what is that? Exactly when the sellers come in. So sellers come in because they think it's expensive. I can just write it red so you understand. And red here as well. Then we go down and we get a new what? Yep, support level. And we do this all the time, blah blah blah. We go down, nice support, and what can we see right here? What can we see? If we check, if we do support and support, what is similar to these two? Exactly, they are on the same level. So that's what's important with support and resistance levels, and that's how you can identify where your entry is and where your target profit can be, so you can exit and enter the market in the best way. So what happened here is people think this is a nice price. They enter right here. The buyers are buying at what is it? What is it, like 362, 363 USD? And so you know that it goes up, it goes down, blah, blah, blah. When it comes back to the same level, the same 362 level, then you know that this area is known for the buyers to come in. So you can actually, like, for example, I'm not recommending anything, but if you place your target right here, and you can put this stop loss pretty small, and yeah, so you have a risk ratio of 3. You can make really nice profits from this and really nice trades. I'm not going into strategies or how you can enter or exit or target profit or anything like that in this video. I'm going to go into that in other videos, but I'm just going to go through support and resistance. So I'm going to continue here. So, as I said, support, support. And this is a really nice place to enter. Same over here, you can see. This one was a resistance, and this one as well. It's the same level, and now we even got a double top. That's also a double top. That's a pattern in the markets I'm going to talk about later. Um, when the when the when the buyers come up and gets rejected by the sellers, and they try again, gets rejected by the sellers again at the same level. So, um, have the same area here again. And so yeah, that's resistance and support. If you want to know more about resistance and support and other tutorials, we release premium videos on our website every day. We have guides, mentorship, and other things. So go check out our website, zeustrading.com. You're very welcome to contact me on Messenger, email, if you have any questions. And yeah, I hope you see you in the next tutorial. I'm Max from Zeus Trading, and peace out.